Hi, welcome to your AUM Library. Today I'm going to show you how to use our quick search on our front page here on the library's website. Alright, so you see I already have my search topic typed in here, but before I search, I always want to make sure I'm limiting my search just to full text. That way I'm only pulling back things that have full access here in the library for us. I could also click here under Scholarly Peer Reviewed, but I can do that on the next page, so I'm just going to leave that for the next page. And then right down here where it says Materials Held at the AUM Library Catalog Only, I don't want to click that one unless I'm only looking for things that we have in the catalog. So really all you need to do is click on this full text right here, type in our search topic, and we'll get started. If you're off campus, it's actually going to ask you to log in using your AUM email credentials, but there are directions on how to do that. Otherwise, if you're on campus or already logged in, it'll take you directly to the database page. And on this page, you'll see we have almost 3,000 results, but we need to narrow that down maybe just a little bit. And we can do that over here on the left under Refine Results. So I'm going to scroll down here just a little ways. And again, here is that thing I was telling you about earlier, where you can limit things just to scholarly journals or those peer-reviewed journals. That option is available here for you. There's also publication date, so if you have a date range that you're looking for with your articles, you can go ahead and use that slide ruler right there. We can also come down here to source types, and if I do want just those academic or scholarly journals, I could click right here where it says academic journals. I could also limit things to just books or magazines or newspapers or trade publications. I'm going to go ahead and narrow things down just to those academic journals. All right, so now you'll see I've narrowed it down to about 1,700. Right, which is a lot better than what we had before. This is a little bit more refined for us. I can still come over here again to the left and go here to Subject and click on Show More. And I can narrow things down even further by finding different specific subjects that I'm interested in. So feel free to kind of take a look through these, choose any that are related to your topic or you feel are relevant, select those and then click Update. And then it'll limit it just to those items. But for right now, I'm just going to show you what it looks like on our result page here. So you notice some of these say linked full text or PDF full text. I'm going to show you what the difference is between those. So I'm just going to choose this first one right here and click on the title. And that's going to take me here to the result page. Where I have some great tools over here to the right. This one is linked to Google Drive, so I can go ahead and click on that, sign into my Google account, and save the citation there. I can print from here. I can email the article to myself. I can save it. And I can also use the Cite button. This is a great feature that's available for you. Click on that. And it brings up the different style guides here. So we have AMA, here's APA, and then further down we have MLA. So whichever style that you're supposed to be using, you can just scroll through it, find it, copy, put that into your Word document for your works cited or your bibliography. Then over here on the left, we have our linked full text. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that'll open up a new database since it's linked into another database. And this one takes us into our Science Direct database. Here you can download the PDF or you can read it all right here as well. And this is an additional database where you can find more resources. All right, so I'm going to go back to the library site for right now. All right, and then of course we have all of the information here about our article. I'm going to go back to the result list. And now let me show you what a full text PDF would look like. Alright, scroll down here just a little ways. And here's when it says PDF full text. Again, just click on the title. All the same tools over here to the right. All the same information here. And here are some great subject terms and some author supplied keywords that you can use in future searches. And then here is the PDF full text. Again, just click on that. And it brings up the full PDF here for you. Again, you can read it right here in your browser, or you can download the PDF just right here, or here on the right as well, and also print. And again, all the tools are available over here on the right-hand side. All right, I will go back now to our result list. Alright, and that was just a really quick overview of how to use our quick search or our multi-search service here at AUM Library. Again, if you have any questions, you can always just reach out to a librarian here on our main page. Down here in the bottom, there's a link here that says Ask Your Library, where you can actually chat with a librarian who can help you navigate the databases while you're in them. Or you can reach us over here on the right under Information and Services. You can actually make an appointment with a librarian. You can contact us on our contact page or view our FAQs if you have any additional questions. All right, thank you very much.